Oh my gosh, it feels like it's been absolutely forever since I've been on here. I promise I have a really good excuse. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or you don't follow me on TikTok, then you probably don't know what's been happening. But me and my husband started our own hijab line. You guys, I am so excited for this video. I've been waiting for so long to do this video. I'm really excited and I'm really kind of nervous because like, you know, when you work on something for like so long and then you're ready to tell the world, it's almost like you're like, I don't know, it just makes me really nervous. I don't know why. But anyways, so that's what we've been doing. We have been launching our own hijab line. We officially launched Lala Hijabs on August 25th. It is an entire pastel tie-dye hijab collection. And in this video, I'm going to do a try on for all 10 of the initial colors that we have in our collection. I'm just so excited. Another question I'm gonna get is, where did the name come from? Where did Lala Hijabs come from? Quite frankly, my 5-year-old daughter. Me and my husband had this like huge list of names that we were thinking of to name our company, and we just couldn't agree on any name. So I turned to my daughter, Amina, and I said, Amina, what would you call your hijab line if you had one? What would you name it? And she didn't even think for 5 seconds. She instantly said, Lala Hijabs. And I was like, oh my God, that is so cute. And then my husband took the Lala portion and he put the acronym Live Authentic and Love Always. And that is so us, that is so me. We want everybody to live authentically. We want you to live your best life. We want you to always love. You guys know us. We are the most positive people ever. We have no room for negativity in our lives, and we just want everybody to be wearing Lala Hijabs and be super happy with who you guys are. Another amazing thing about the colors that we picked, the pink, purple, yellow, and blue, is all of those colors in color theory are incredible for energizing your mood, for calming anxiety, for giving you a boost of self-confidence and giving you like a cheerful kind of feeling. So all of the hijabs, you guys, as soon as you put them on, you're going to feel a mood change. I'm not even joking. They will make you feel so good. Your self-confidence is gonna just skyrocket. You're gonna feel so incredible wearing these hijabs. It just makes you feel like happy and cheerful, you know? Just so fun. I love it so much. You're gonna adore these, I promise you. Oh my gosh, you guys have like absolutely no idea how long it took us to do this entire collection. We failed really hard in the beginning with our designs, our material, our stitching, so many things. That's why it took so long to perfect it. And I really feel like we have nailed it. This is one of the hijabs, obviously. This is the style called Taffy, and Taffy is so pretty. I think this is gonna be probably one of the most popular shades because it has pink, it has blue, and it has purple, and all of them are pastels, so they're not strong colors. They're so beautiful. They go with pretty much any outfit. And the awesome thing, you guys, is like our tie-dye collection is not just like crazy tie-dye patterns. Ours are not like that. They're very, very soft. It's almost like an ombre cloud kind of effect. I'm going to show you one of them. Okay, so this is our hijab in the color Cotton Candy. We named it Cotton Candy because it's pink and blue. It's so stunning, you guys. But do you see what I mean about like, it's not like tie-dye, you know? It's like that speckled, cloudy, soft, kind of ombre cloudy effect. It's just so unique. There's nobody that I know of that is doing anything like this in the hijab world. So this makes me so excited. I know the first question I'm gonna get is, will we ship worldwide? Yes, you guys, we're going to be shipping worldwide. We're gonna have really affordable shipping rates, and if you purchase over a certain amount, it'll even be free shipping. So they are going to be so popular, you guys. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how long it took us to perfect it. So it is made of the softest cotton spandex blend ever. So we don't have any polyester in this at all. The hem is so perfect. It's gonna last so long. It has our super cute Lala Hijabs tag, you can see right there. Super cute. They're just perfect, you guys. They are the perfect size. I'm gonna show you how big these are. So you can literally style it in any way that you want. It's 180 by 80 centimeters, and it is just perfection. absolute perfection. You can style them in any way you want. You can wear them as a turban because it's a jersey material. It's so soft. You can wear it for literally like any weather. It's so great for summertime because it's so lightweight, but at the same time it's very breathable. It's still opaque so you can't see through it. Like I wish I could just like reach out in the camera and like show you how soft it is. It's like the softest jersey you've ever felt, I swear to God. It's so comfortable. You can wear it as a neck scarf. If you don't wear a hijab, you can wear it as like a neck scarf. You can wear it in the summertime. I always get this question from a lot of non-Muslims because I have a lot of non-Muslim followers too. Can I wear this, you know, being a non-Muslim, or can I buy this for someone if I'm non-Muslim, or if I want to buy it for someone that's Muslim? All of the above, yes, you absolutely can. There's nothing offensive or disrespectful about you purchasing or wearing or gifting a hijab. Anybody can wear hijab, okay? Like anybody can. So I'm gonna do a try on for all 10 of these colors so you can see what they look like on. Keep in mind, I am working with natural light, so it looks kind of weird on camera. I don't know why it came off so strange, but they are so pretty, you guys. You have no idea. Oh my gosh. So we're launching August 25th. If you go to lalahijabs.com, you can actually enter your email address and get an exclusive coupon code for the day that we launch. Other than that, I want you to follow the Lala Hijabs Instagram account. We're doing a giveaway there as well, and I want you to follow the Lala Hijabs TikTok account because I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials and sneak peeks on like our packaging and how we do everything. You guys, we are trying to be as different as we can be in terms of a hijab company. We are going to only be using sustainable packaging, which means we're going to be plastic free, and we are not going to be packaging any of our hijabs in plastic. They will all be wrapped in tissue paper, and even the mailers and the boxes are compostable, completely compostable. So they're not made of plastic. You can literally take the mailer and toss it right into your compost box. That was really important to us. We wanted to be as sustainable as possible. There's been so many times where I've purchased hijabs from different companies and they all come wrapped in individual plastic. And I understand like why companies do that. It's just easier. But for us, we wanted to take that extra step and try to be as sustainable as possible. So when you receive your hijabs, they are hand dyed by us, you guys. They are made by me and my husband. So they are made right here in our home, and we plan to, inshallah, make this business like worldwide. So please spread the word. I would love it if you shared this video. Share it with all your friends that love tie-dye or love pastel colors. Here's my inspiration. I never wanted hijabs to be boring. I love color. If you guys have followed me for a while, you'll know that I just love color. Color makes me feel so good, whether it's in my makeup or my clothing or my hijabs, any kind of color I just love. And when I knew that no one was offering pastels and no one was offering any type of tie-dye collection, that's when I did my own hijab, you guys. I tie-dyed my own hijab at home. And people started asking me where I got it from. And then me and my husband sat down and we're like, should we start a hijab company? COVID-19 happened and we had so much time on our hands, and we just decided that this was for us. This was a dream that I have always wanted to do. I've always wanted to own my own hijab line. It's so surreal knowing how close we are to launching, and inshallah it goes really well. I'm so excited, you guys. Behind the scenes, you have no idea how long it took to do this. Like finding the perfect material blend, finding the perfect manufacturer and stitching, the tag, the logo, the designs, the colors, like just everything, just everything. It's so amazing seeing it all come together. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Keep watching the video to watch all 10 of the pastel hijabs in action so you can kind of get a feel of what they look like before you go and purchase them. I don't know how long they're going to last, honestly, in stock. So if you really want one, set your alarm. Go to our website right now, lalahijabs.com, enter your email address so you can get an exclusive coupon code for when we launch, so you can be one of the first to get your hands on a Lala hijab. Okay, and then one other product that we're going to be carrying in our shop with our hijabs is these incredible magnets. Okay, here's the thing, you guys. I started wearing hijab when I was in university. I didn't know any better. I always used safety pins, no snag hijab pins, or straight pins, and every single one would destroy my hijabs because every time that you wear your hijab, you're sticking a pin inside the scarf and you're literally putting a hole through it. Not just that, but there's also that risk of, you know, dropping them on the floor and stepping on them and getting a pin in your foot. Like, it's just not very convenient. And so I wanted to introduce you Lala Hijabs magnets. You guys, these are the most powerful magnets you have ever used. If you've tried magnets in the past, you have never tried anything like Lala Hijabs magnets. I swear they will never slip. They do not slip. They are so comfortable. They hold every material of hijab. They're so strong. I can't wait to show you. We're going to have 4 colors. This one right here is gold, and you get 2 pairs, okay? So you get one on this side, one on this side. This is our chrome. It's kind of like a black. This one is our rose gold. And then this one is our silver. So stunning, you guys. Have no idea how awesome this is. I'm gonna show you how it works in action. Okay, so I'm wearing hijab, obviously. I have my magnets here. You take both sides like this. I'm going to take my hijab on the inside, and the same way that I would use a regular safety pin, I'm just gonna replace it with my magnet. So if you can see right here, I have my magnets on both sides. I'm just going to snap them. Do you see that? They just clip right together, and that's it. No snagging, no pulling, no snag hijab magnets. They're so amazing, you guys. They are going to be in our shop. Here's the pricing. The hijabs are $29.99 Canadian dollars each, and then our magnets are going to be $14.99. And you guys, I swear it is life-changing having those magnets in your hijab collection. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I can't wait to see what you guys get. Thank you so much for always being here and supporting us. You have no idea what this means for our family business. It is just heartwarming and so incredible knowing that we get to do what we love to do together as a family, and it's all because of you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for the launch of Lala Hijabs. Remember, go to the website, sign up right now, follow us on Instagram and TikTok so you guys can be one of the first to get your hands on these pretty cute, amazing hijabs. And I can't wait to see you guys wear them. Make sure that when you do wear them, tag us, Lala Hijabs, and use the hashtag Lala Hijabs as well so we can repost your beautiful, amazing pictures. Take care.